There's another way, and people don't know this. I put a chemical in a dish
Mm-hmm.
and I take a laser and I shine the light over the top of that dish, just over the top. The coherent light of the laser will pick up the energy signal of the chemical and carry it with the light, so that when the laser hits something, it can leave the information that it carried across the light to the next thing. It can give it, pass on the energy. Homeopathy. Not picking up the chemical, I'm picking up the energy field of the chemical. It's the, is the chemical real? Well, yeah, you see, here's some crystals of stuff. I go, yeah, take it apart. Here's an atom from that chemistry. I say, is that atom real? No. Why? Because when you take it apart, it was an energy. So the point about it is what? It looks like matter, but it's an energy. So do I need the actual chemical that carries the energy, or can I take the energy signature and carry that? I go, homeopathy, whether it's carried in water molecules from one to the other via hydrogen bonds, or in polarized or coherent light that can pick up the energy and carry that along until it hits the structure and then pass that energy onto the structure. So both of them are doing what? Healing with a chemistry without the chemical. Healing with the energy of the chemistry. If there's energy into the water solution, the water molecules can take that energy and take it out of the field, connect it to the next water molecule, connect it to the next water molecule. So in homeopathy, you put a chemical into the water, and the energy of that chemical is now in the water, and you keep diluting it until you have more water and no chemical in there. You keep, and there's a point where if you dilute it and dilute it, meaning adding more water and more water and more water, there's a point where there's no more chemical.
Mm-hmm.
The energy is still there. It's
Mm-hmm.
connected from the one water molecule to the next water molecule. So carrying the energy of the chemistry, there's no more chemistry, but the energy of the chemistry is held in the water structure, because there's a crystalline structure, even if you can't see it. Even when it's water that's moving, there's still water molecules that are connected by hydrogen bonds. So water can hold a memory.
Mm-hmm.
And that is what homeopathy starts. Put in the chemical that you want to have the energy of, let the water molecules absorb the energy, then dilute it out, meaning add so much water that there's no more particles of chemistry left. The water still has the energy, so that's homeopathy. You can drink the water and have the effect of the chemical, even though there's no chemical in there, because the water is carrying that, okay?